In this video, I will show how to make an image transparent in Word document background. So, basic way to do. So, very simple steps and method you can make picture background. Click on insert and picture. Now select your picture and once you double click on it, picture format will be appear in the transparency. Select your required transparency. Once you click this picture transparency options, you can adjust your required size. To write anything on this picture, right click on it, wrap text and select here behind text. So you can use this picture as a background. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.